Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can change your account from a postpaid account to a prepaid account. Now I'll be sharing a video with you on what is different between a postpaid and a prepaid account. So in a summary, a prepaid account allows you to add funds to your account, while a postpaid account charges from your card that you have installed or you have inserted to Facebook. Now there are different advantages and disadvantages to using a postpaid or a prepaid account, but meanwhile in this video I want to show you how you can make use of set up your prepaid account with ease. First, I'll be walking you through how I was able to help one of my clients to solve a postpaid account issue because she was not being charged. The card she dropped for Facebook to charge from was not being charged. I'll be showing you how I walked through to make the payment process very easy, and I'll be showing you how I created a prepaid account so that subsequently she can add fund into the account and then make payment for her ad spend from that particular money she has added. If this video is something that interests you, kindly smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end because you wouldn't want to miss any step in all the different things I'm going to be sharing with you today. Thank you. See you at the other side. Yeah, right. All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have a customer that has an issue with our prepaid account, our postpaid account. So here's the postpaid account. I want to show you how you can change from your prepaid account. So this is the postpaid account. I just paid 1,000 naira just now, 1,075 naira just now, and it's still remaining 2,015 naira. But that's not what I want to do in this video anyway. But I want to show you that this is a normal card, normal bank account that the person is using, but the card is not accepting it. The payment is not going through. I've tried the different method I use and the card has not been going through. Now this one of the major method I just used to pay the 1,000 naira. So I reduced the money. So instead of trying to pay the 3,015 naira that was there before, so I just tried to make sure I was paying just I was cutting the money down to 1,500, 700, and I kept attempting to pay until I was able to pay 1,000. So you keep doing that. I was asked to wait 5 minutes. I don't know if it's up to 5 minutes, but let me try to pay 1,000 naira again. Click on pay now. Though that's not what this video is all about, but I just want to show you this before we go to what the video is all about. Okay, so you keep reducing the payment. So I've not waited up to 5 minutes yet, so I'll try again in 5 minutes. But the reason why I'm creating this video is that some of you are having payment issue, and you would always have this kind of issue when you have a postpaid account created. So this account is a postpaid account. So meanwhile, the first thing you can do, how did I get to this place? Once you open your business manager, your business.facebook.com, you come to all tools. Some of you have it displayed like this. Come to all tools and click on any of this, business manager or anything. So once you do that, you'll be brought to, if you click on ad manager, you'll be brought to this page. You come to all tools here again and click on billing. So when I clicked on billing, that's how I got to this particular page. So I'm seeing the amount I'm owing, outstanding amount, and how I'm going to sort the payment issue right away. So, and one of the options here is that, for instance, I'm being charged in naira. I should be able to change it to dollars so that it will make me to be able to use another card payment that would be able to sort the issue very easily. That's one way. But another way we can use to sort the issue is to change the payment method entirely to a prepaid account. Do you understand? But meanwhile, you still have to clear this payment that is overdue first. So there are other methods. You can send me a DM on how to clear. If you have tried using your bank account, for instance, now this ad account has been disabled, you see. So if we don't make the payment in time, the account will be disabled and we will not be able to do anything about it. Do you get that? So you can send me a DM on how to settle this payment. But meanwhile, you might still be able to settle the payment using your normal bank account. It's not up to 5 minutes. Using your normal bank account, you might be able to sort the payment using your normal bank account. So, but after sorting the issue, how do you make sure that something like this doesn't repeat itself again? So that's why I'm going to be walking you through this video. I'm going to try as much as possible to make it very short. It's something you can do in 5 minutes in 5 minutes, and I'm going to be walking you through how you can do it. So let's go. So you're on this page, or wherever you are, either you're in your ads manager, you're on your business manager, wherever you find yourself on the account, just come to business settings. Once you get to business settings, I'm trying to be fast as possible. Come to business settings. I like to load up. Then you come to add account. Add account. Scroll down to add account. I'm already in add account. This add account here that you're scrolling down to. So now the next thing I want to do here is that you see we have just one ad account here. And the ad account here, the payment method that is on this ad account is a postpaid account payment method. I'll take time to explain the difference between postpaid and prepaid payment method. I hope I'll do that in the intro anyway. So click on add. Meanwhile, you should be able to create a new ad account here, but you can see that it is not active. You can't create a new ad account on this business manager. So what is the other alternative? So if your own situation, when you come here to click on add, you see add an ad account, you would continue in the next phase. So I will have to go back now, and then you continue. If you can see add an ad account, then you'll be good to go. So then you click on that, and then you move forward. Do you understand? Or if you see the option create a new ad account is active, you can click on it and you move on. So let me quickly go back for those of you that are having the same issue. So let me show you this, what you are going to be doing. So you come to business.facebook/overview. So once you do that, it will bring you to all the different business managers that are available on this account. So these are the 2 major business managers that are available on this account. So I want to create a new business manager. You give it a name, give it your name is already there, then add an email address. So give it a name, the name to the business, what's it called now, add an email address, then you click on submit. Let me do that very quick. All right, so I've been able to add the whole thing. I've been able to add the email and everything, so it's done. A notification has been sent to the account. So click on done, and you'll be taken right into the new business managers you've created. So many of you have been having issues with this, so I'm just creating this to help you solve. So this is the new business manager. So let me come here to select the exact business manager I just created. Now click here so that it could display all the different business in this particular account. So this was the one I just created now. So click on setting part on that. So once it loads up, come to this all tools. Let's go to the business settings. So you can use any of the displays here to navigate it. I like to load up. Just waiting for it. The network seems to be a bit bad. Okay, since it's not coming up, let's just use this more business settings option down here. Still coming up. Okay, so I'm currently on the business settings. So on this business settings, so don't forget this was where we stopped before. Come to add account. So for this new business, you can see that now I can create a new ad account. So you follow me step by step here. This is where it becomes very tricky, and you have to make sure you scale through this process. Once you make any mistake and you stop, to convert the ad account to a postpaid account. So you can't make any mistake here. So let's go. Click on add. Now you click on create a new ad account. So I want to name the ad account as the name of the business, enterprise prepaid. So I want to be sure, so I'll be sure of what we are doing. Prepaid, is that correct? So AID prepaid. So this is the account. Everything is correct. So it is okay to put this in Naira account, depending on your preference. And from experience, I've noticed that if you put this in Naira, it will help your conversion rate, since you can pay with your normal bank account, your normal card that your postpaid account will be rejecting. So since you can do that on this account, then you can put it in Naira. So, but if you want to be paying with a dollar account or a dollar card, then you have to put this in Naira. I would strongly advise you put it in Naira. If not, you are going to be wasting money to conversion rate. You understand? So click on next. So where do you want this to be? You want it to be on my business. Click on create. Once it loads up, then the other account has been created. So make sure you continue on this process. Nothing should stop you. Now allocate this account to this particular person. Activate all those buttons and click on assign. so we are having trouble completing your request. Now the reason why there is a trouble completing this request is because the account is probably having a particular issue. So normally once you're done with this process and you've done, it will lead you to where you can set up the payment. So let's click on OK and move on to the next thing to do. So you see, now I got stocked. Now that I got stocked, now you'll see that this account cannot be prepaid again. It will no longer be prepaid account. It will no longer be prepaid account. It will be postpaid. So let's go and check the settings, the billing on this particular account. Let me load it up on a new page. You'll see that it is going to be showing pay now instead of add fund. You see, it's going to be pay now instead of add fund. So we have this business I just created now is more or less like a trash. It doesn't make any sense. There's no way I can use this to do what I want to do again. So once you get to this particular stage, whereby after you have created your ad account, make sure that you're able to scale through. But now I think I have to take a look at this particular account. It seems there are some issues with this particular ad account. So at the top right hand side, I'll be adding a link whereby you can continue. Those of you that are able to scale through, I'll be adding a link whereby you can continue. I'll just find a way to add some videos to help you continue. Meanwhile, so let's try to salvage this account and see if we can change the postpaid already now to a prepaid account. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I would be going through okay, this is the ad account. Okay, this is the billing on this ad account, the one I just created. Look at the name showing up here. So let's see if we can make any edit. Let's see if we can add a payment method. Okay, all this is okay, Nigerian, except Lagos. Okay, click on next. Let's be hopeful. Okay, very good. So now we have been able to salvage it, so we are good. So I don't even need to add anything to this video again, so we are good to go. So you click on local card. Now it's showing local card. So this is where I'm setting up a payment. So if you got stocked at the other stage, if you got stocked here and it returned you back and it's telling you that there's an issue, blah 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 blah, just do what I just did now. Click on that payment settings, set a payment, then click on local card. So once you click on local card, you can click on next. Once you click on next, so automatically every account created is given a postpaid, it's created as a postpaid. So you click on skip. So if you don't come here to do it before you start running ad, then you will not be able to manage or have access to a prepaid account. That's very key. So take note of that. So let's say I want to add 10,000 naira to this account. So I'm not going to add any money anyways, but I'm just trying to move the process up to a particular level so that the payment method can be confirmed on the account. Do you understand? So a payment method can be confirmed on the account. So fill the name, the card number, the expiry date, the security code, everything, and click on pay now. So now let's come back here. Don't forget this is showing pay now. So let's refresh. I'm expecting this to have a different payment method. Good. So you see that what you have done just worked. So it is showing add fund instead of pay now. So pay now is for postpaid, add fund is for prepaid account. So I hope this video has been very helpful. So this is just how you can sort your problem. I just walk you through how I get issues solved. So this is a video that you have to watch from beginning to the end. So make sure you watch, you don't skip any part of this video. Well, for you to have gotten to this part, you have been able to watch every part of the video. So this is how interesting it goes. So I can to this account and then run my ad with the money I am adding. So it is very easy and very straightforward. So let's go back. I want to walk you through. Please don't stop the video. This is not the end. So don't forget that we are owing. So if you don't see, this ad account has been disabled and now I've created another ad account. Facebook can restrict this ad account because they are suspicious that you are owing us and now you have created a new ad account. So are you planning to run away with our money? That's the question they'll be asking themselves. So they might end up restricting this account. So the main thing is to try to pay this particular money. So let's keep going. I'll walk you through. I'll try to fast forward this if this process does not go through, but I'll make sure I'll walk you through how you can make payments, pay all of this money. So let's try to pay 1,000 naira and see if it will go through. Okay, it doesn't go through. Let's try 500. So I'll keep recording and just so that you see the different stages of the whole process. So you saw that 200 naira went through. So this is how crazy something like this thing can be. So you just keep paying in batches. So let's try 500 again. Maybe it will not ask us to wait for 5 minutes, but let's try to pay. Okay, I have to wait 5 minutes. When I'm done, when it's 5 minutes, I'll continue. So I think it is 5 minutes already. So let's try again. Pay now. Pay now. Let's see if it's gonna go through. Okay, still didn't go through. 1.5. I'm supposed to go low. Okay.